Welcome to your channel, Slow English for You.
Chelsea, I was thinking about last year.
Really? About what?
About everything we did together.
Oh, that sounds nice. Tell me.
Maybe we can remember the best part of each month.
Great idea. Month by month.
Yes, 12 months, 12 memories.
Okay, let's start with January.
Wait, before we start, do you remember your favorite month?
Maybe July with the fireworks.
Oh, that was fun. But my favorite was April.
Your birthday month, I remember that.
Exactly, but we'll get there. Let's start from the beginning.
All right, I'm ready.
January was cold, wasn't it?
Yes, freezing. I wore 2 jackets every day.
But we still went to the mountains.
I remember. The snow was beautiful.
We stayed in that little wooden cabin.
With a fireplace and hot chocolate every night.
That was my favorite part.
And we played cards until late.
You always won.
Not always. Sometimes you cheated.
What? Never.
Okay, maybe we both did a little.
True. That trip was perfect.
Yes, January was cold but full of love.
So, what happened in February?
February was full of love.
Valentine's Day, right?
Yes, I cooked dinner for you. I still remember the smell of the food.
It was pasta with tomato sauce.
And a heart-shaped cake.
You made that cake. It was so cute.
You looked so happy when you saw it.
I was. It was my favorite surprise.
We had dinner with candles, remember?
Yes, it was so romantic.
I wore my red dress for you.
You looked beautiful that night.
Aw, thank you. You looked handsome too.
After dinner, we watched a movie.
A romantic one, of course.
But you fell asleep halfway.
Because your food made me so full.
I cooked too much.
But it was so good, I ate everything.
Then you woke up at the end.
And asked, what happened?
You missed the kiss scene.
Oh no, my favorite part.
Don't worry. We can watch it again.
Deal. Next February.
Perfect. A new Valentine's tradition.
More love, more pasta.
March was a busy month.
Yes, we worked a lot.
Every day felt so long.
But weekends were the best.
True. We went to the park every Sunday.
I loved riding bikes with you.
You always rode faster than me.
No, you were just too slow.
Maybe I was enjoying the view.
The lake looked beautiful in spring.
And there were ducks everywhere.
You tried to feed them, remember?
Yes, but they ran away from me.
Because you dropped the bread too fast.
Hey, I was trying my best.
After biking, we always had ice cream.
You always picked chocolate.
And you always chose strawberry.
My favorite flavor.
One time, you dropped your cone.
Oh yes, right on my shoe.
You looked so sad.
I almost cried, but you gave me yours.
Because I'm nice like that.
My sweet hero.
Don't forget it.
March was simple but happy.
Work was hard, but weekends were perfect.
That's true. Balance makes everything better.
Yes, love and ice cream make life sweet. April was special.
Of course, my birthday month.
You were so happy that week.
Yes, I love birthdays.
I planned your surprise for days.
You did great.
You didn't notice anything, right?
Not at all.
I tried hard to hide it.
Then I came home and saw the balloons.
You looked so surprised.
I was. I almost dropped my keys.
You froze for a second.
I didn't expect it at all.
That was the goal.
The chocolate cake was perfect.
Your favorite, of course.
And the candles. You put so many.
One for each year.
That's a lot of candles.
You're not that old.
Thanks for saying that.
We sang happy birthday so loud.
Even the neighbors clapped.
It was fun.
I felt so loved that night.
Because you are.
April was my favorite month.
And next year will be even better.
Promise?
Promise. Bigger cake, more balloons.
May was beautiful.
Yes, warm and sunny.
We went to the beach, remember?
Of course. That weekend was perfect.
The sand was so soft.
And the water was so blue.
You built a big sandcastle.
You helped me. You made the tower.
And it fell after 5 minutes.
The wave was too strong.
We laughed so much.
You had sand in your hair.
And you had sand on your face.
We both looked funny.
But happy?
We also watched the sunset.
The colors were amazing.
Orange, pink, and gold.
I took so many pictures.
You take pictures of everything.
I don't want to forget our moments.
That's sweet.
Then we ate pizza by the beach.
It was hot but delicious.
You drank coconut water.
Yes, I love it. So fresh.
I liked the sound of the waves.
It was peaceful.
May was full of smiles.
A month full of sunshine and love.
June was really hot.
Yes, summer started.
We decided to have a picnic.
I remember, in the big city park.
You packed all the food.
Sandwiches, fruit, and lemonade.
The lemonade was too sweet.
I like it that way.
We found a nice spot under a tree.
With a little shade and soft grass.
You brought that red blanket.
Yes, our picnic blanket.
We sat and listened to music.
You started dancing.
Only because you made me.
Then the sky got dark.
Yes, small clouds came fast.
I said, maybe it will rain.
And I said, no, don't worry.
5 minutes later, rain.
We ran to the car so fast.
Everything was wet.
Even the sandwiches.
You still tried to eat one.
I was hungry.
You looked so funny with that wet bread.
You laughed so hard.
It was a crazy but happy day.
Yes, June gave us a funny memory.
A wet, sweet, and perfect memory.
July was full of light.
Oh yes, the fireworks month.
The 4th of July was amazing.
We went downtown with our friends.
There were so many people.
And everyone was smiling.
The music was loud and fun.
We danced in the street.
You danced more than me.
Because I love parties.
The sky looked beautiful that night.
Red, blue, and gold everywhere.
I took so many pictures.
And I took videos of you.
Me? Dancing or eating?
Both. You ate 2 hot dogs.
I was hungry. They smelled good.
And then you wanted ice cream.
But it melted so fast.
It was so hot that day.
I dropped half of it on my shirt.
You looked like a kid.
You helped me clean it.
Because I'm a good girlfriend.
The best one.
August was family month.
Yes, we visited your parents.
They were so happy to see us.
Your mom gave me a big hug.
And my dad asked about your work.
He always asks that.
He likes you a lot.
I like him too. He's funny.
He showed you his garden, remember?
Yes, the tomatoes were huge.
He was so proud of them.
He gave us some to take home.
And my mom cooked all day.
The smell was amazing.
Her apple pie is your favorite, right?
Yes, I ate 3 slices.
She noticed that.
She said, "Eat more, Charlie."
That's my mom, always feeding people.
She said, "I eat like family now."
Because you are family.
That made me really happy.
My dad took pictures of us at the table.
Everyone was laughing.
You told a funny story about our cat.
And your mom couldn't stop laughing.
We stayed until it got dark.
Yes, it felt like home.
August was full of love and food.
And full of sweet memories. September was a calm month.
Yes, very calm and cozy.
We stayed home more.
I liked that. Less noise, more peace.
We started reading that new book.
Oh yes, the one about dreams.
You chose it,
And I said, it looks boring.
but I was wrong.
You liked it after 2 chapters.
It was really interesting.
We read every night before bed.
You always read faster than me.
Because I didn't stop to talk.
Hey, I had questions.
So many questions.
I liked when we talked about the story.
Me too. It made the book special.
We learned a lot together.
And we laughed at the funny parts.
You did the voices of the characters.
I like to make stories come alive.
You're a great storyteller.
Thank you. You listen so well.
I liked those quiet nights.
Me too. They felt peaceful.
No phones, no noise, just us.
And a good book.
September was simple.
But full of love and calm energy. October was so much fun.
Of course, Halloween month.
I love Halloween.
Me too. Our costumes were so funny.
You were a pirate.
And you were a witch with a pink hat.
Everyone laughed when they saw us.
But we looked great together.
You even had a fake sword.
Yes, but it broke after 5 minutes.
Because you were fighting the air.
I was practicing my pirate moves.
You scared the kids a little.
Only a little.
Okay, maybe a lot.
We also decorated the house.
With pumpkins and orange lights.
You carved the biggest pumpkin.
And you made the eyes too small.
It looked cute, not scary.
Everyone said it looked happy.
That's good, a happy Halloween pumpkin.
Then we watched a scary movie.
You screamed so loud.
Because the monster jumped.
I almost spilled my popcorn.
You always blame me.
Because it's your fault.
It was the best Halloween ever.
October was full of laughter and fun.
And full of candy, too. November was a warm month.
Yes, full of love and good food.
Thanksgiving was my favorite day.
We invited our friends this year.
The house was full of people.
And full of smells from the kitchen.
You cooked the turkey perfectly.
It took so many hours.
But it was delicious. Everyone said so.
Thank you. I was so tired but happy.
I made mashed potatoes, remember?
Yes, and you made a big mess too.
Cooking's not easy.
But you tried. That's what matters.
And we did it together.
The table looked beautiful.
You put candles and flowers on it.
I wanted a cozy atmosphere.
It felt like a family dinner.
Everyone brought something special.
The pumpkin pie was amazing.
That was our friend Anna made that one.
She's a great baker.
We all said what we were thankful for.
I said I was thankful for you.
Aw, that was sweet.
It was true. You make every day better.
I'm thankful for you too.
November was full of warmth.
And full of gratitude and smiles.
December was the best month.
Of course, Christmas time.
I love everything about Christmas.
Me too. The lights, the music, the smell.
We decorated the tree together.
You chose the shiny red balls.
And you put the star on top.
I almost fell from the chair.
I remember that.
But the tree looked beautiful after.
It was full of colors and light.
We also put gifts under it.
I wrapped them with gold paper.
You love wrapping presents.
Yes, it feels like art.
On Christmas Eve, we watched movies.
And ate too many cookies.
You baked them all morning.
They were chocolate chip, your favorite.
You know me so well.
Then we listened to Christmas songs.
You sang louder than the radio.
I just loved the music.
We opened gifts at midnight.
You were so happy with your sweater.
It was warm and soft, like you.
Oh, that's sweet. December felt magical.
Yes, full of light and love.
The perfect ending for our year.
I couldn't agree more. We did so many things last year.
Yes, 12 months, so many memories.
I can't believe how fast time passed.
It really flew, but every month was special.
We laughed, we traveled, we learned.
And we grew together.
I liked remembering everything.
Me too. It makes me smile. Which month was your favorite?
I think July, fireworks and fun.
Good choice. I liked April, my birthday month.
Oh yes, that was full of surprises.
But honestly, every month had something good.
That's true. Even the small days were special.
Because we were together.
I'm grateful for all our moments.
Me too. I wouldn't change a thing.
Not even the rainy picnic?
No, that was one of the best.
You're right. It made us laugh so much.
Every little thing became a memory.
A beautiful one.
Now a new year is here.
New dreams. New plans.
And new adventures to live.
Together, always.
Always, no matter what.
Let's make this year even better.
Deal. More love, more laughter, more us.
Yes, let's start our new chapter today.